Welcome to my sidewalk. As you can see, we've got all these little, we'll call them holes everywhere. And this is where we chose to do mud rockering and support the sidewalk and lift it up. We've also got a couple big cracks. We got one there and we've got another one over here. And this is incredibly common in new build homes. The issue is that they honestly pour these sidewalks and driveways too soon. They should leave them for a year, but nobody wants their brand new build home to have crushed rock as a driveway for a year. They want it ready and done and like fitting the neighborhood and looking great. So they pour it really fast, but the ground all around your home hasn't settled. So especially when you get these wraparound sidewalks that come into a newer build home, they end up having issues down the road. Now, our house is built in 2004. We're 20 years old now. So some of our issues here are quite prominent. This is something where in the future, we'll probably end up jackhammering this out and do bricks in place of it, because those you can move, you can fix them with time as things shift and whatnot. I want to show you over here, actually. This is really cool. So right here, if you can see this line, this is actually how much it has dropped. This is where it originally would have been, and then this is how much it's dropped in the 20 years since this home was built.